Hello everyone, today I am going to show you guys about how you can create this arched window on a curved wall. But before we start, let me ask you to like and share my videos, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any kind of difficulty or query related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. So now let's start. I am not going to create this window in the family file. So for that, open the new architectural template file and let me show you what happens if you create the arch in a normal way. So for that, place a curved wall on the floor plan and then create an arched opening in the window template file as shown. Load this arched opening in the project file and place it on the wall. Okay, now you can see that the lines in the plan are not perpendicular, but I want these lines to be perpendicular and they should not be placed like this. The window should be also be curved along the wall. So that's why I'm not creating this family in the window template file, because in that file the wall is always straight. So now I am going to create this opening with the help of swept plan command. For that, open this wall file of model in place and create an extrusion of curved wall as shown. With the help of model line, place these two lines in the plan at where you want to place the window. Extend it a little bit like this. Now place two reference planes on these lines. Assign name to both of them. I am going to name them 1 and 2. Then go to 3D and set the view as wireframe. Then again select this model line command. For that, set the reference plane to 1 and place these two lines at the reference plane 1. After that, set the reference plane to 2 and place these two more lines as shown. Make sure they are placed at an angle of 90 degree, means they are straight along the z-axis. Go to level 1 floor plan, select void swept plan and place the path as shown. Now go to south elevation and first of all draw profile 1, which is the outer side of the curved wall. So now I am going to create an arch along the outer lines at a sill level of 1 feet as shown. Now select profile tool and create the other arched opening, the profile for the arched opening as shown. Now I have placed the lines at the inner lines. Drag this arch a little bit higher to meet the first one. Finish the swept plan and now you can see how the arched opening has been created. Delete the previous model lines and the reference planes which you have placed before. And now you can see how the opening looks like. To create a sweep for this arched window along a curved wall, you have to work in the meshing mode. For that, go to meshing inside and click on in place mesh. Select this arc, make sure 3D snapping is checked on, and draw the arc and make sure its third point is at the center. Then place the other arc here and then select the straight line and draw like this. Now set the reference plane to this horizontal surface of this reference point and draw the profile for the sweep as shown in the video. Now select these two lines, two straight lines and the upper arch, and then select this profile and click on create form. So now the sweep has been created along the curved wall for this arched opening, which could not be possible with the help of a simple sweep command which is available in the window template file. Assign material to this mesh. I have used the meshing mode to create sweep. to create this sweep, because it has two curves, one in the elevation and one in the plan as well. But if the curve is along one direction only, then you can use the simple sweep command. So to create the sweep at the bottom, I'm going to use this window model in place component feature, and after that set the reference plane to this surface in the plan mode, and then select this sweep command, sketch path as shown, then go to south elevation and draw the profile as shown. And now you can see a curved sweep has been created. Now select extrusion, set the reference plane to this surface and draw the profile for the extrusion as shown. Give this an extrusion end of minus 1 by 4 inches so that it is extruded 1 by 4 inches below the surface. Now select these arcs and lines and click on create form. Select this and give a positive offset of minus 1 inches, which is basically the glass. Select this surface which you have just created and assign material of glass to it. Again, I have moved to window model in place, and in the south elevation I'm going to place the reference plane here, assign a name to it. I'm going to name it top, then go to level 1 floor plan, select extrusion, set the reference plane to the top which you have just created, and draw the profile for the extrusion, which is basically the frame of the window placed at the reference plane. Again, go to meshing mode and set the reference plane to this surface and draw a rectangle like this. This is basically the internal frame of the window. Now select this rectangle and these lines and the arcs and then click on create form, and the internal frame has been created. Select this mesh and assign material to it. So now the window has been created. So that's all for today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any kind of difficulty or query related to it, you can ask me anytime. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care. And most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.